These are reusable silicone drinking straws by Flathead, and it also comes with a traveling case as well as a cleaning brush too. These are extra long and can be used with 20-ounce and 30-ounce tumblers. You get a set of 10 drinking straws, which are made of 100% food-grade silicone, and they're BPA-free as well. These are kid-friendly and also easy on your teeth, and you can use these for hot as well as cold beverages too. They're also very easy to clean. All you need is soapy water and this brush, or you can even stick it in the dishwasher as well. These flexible straws measure ½ centimeter in diameter and 25.5 centimeters in length, which is 19 centimeters straight and 6.5 centimeters in the bend. A really cool thing is they're trimmable too, so you can fit them in your favorite cups and tumblers. I received these from Flathead Products for my evaluation and for me to give my opinion, and I absolutely love it. I like that they're environmentally friendly and that they're reusable too. A lot of restaurants have banned plastic straws, and this is perfect to take along with you or to use it at home as well. You can also use the convenient carrying bag to protect and keep your straws clean during your travels. You receive 10 total of these straws in purple, blue, teal, pink, as well as white too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.